Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. Yeah, now in today's video, it's going to be a little different. This is kind of like a last minute decision for me to come on here and discuss this topic with you guys because I was kind of sort of caught off guard. Now, ever since I started my YouTube, I always leave my contact information in my description box, and I always welcome people to email me, ask me any questions. I always leave my social media contact because I want you guys to interact with me, all of my viewers and my subscribers. And even if you're not a subscriber, if you have a question, I'm always open to receiving feedback and questions, and I try to respond back in a timely manner. And if you're new to this channel, I do love everything hair and makeup. I love natural hair. I celebrate natural hair. I love doing my own natural hair. I love protective styling. I also love weaves and wigs, etc. I pretty much like experimenting with my hair. I have received a fair share of comments and questions back and forth with my subscribers or whoever views my videos. I've gotten more positive feedback than negative. You'll always have those few, you know how people are, they're behind the computer screen, so they'll try to, you know, say something negative or whatever. Okay, that comes with the territory. And I usually don't really care for comments like that because I'm sure of myself, and yeah, no one can really knock my confidence with their words, especially someone who doesn't know me, who's hiding behind a computer screen or a phone or whatever. Now, I received a very interesting email today. Actually, this happened today, and that's why I'm saying this is kind of like a last minute video because I had to. The email deserved a video on its own because she addressed so many different things that I was just like kind of caught off guard. So I did respond to her and tell her that instead of responding via email, that I would come on here and read the email to you guys and respond to her via video. And also I want you guys to give your input. I asked her if that would be okay, and she was totally cool with it. And I am actually looking forward to bringing this to you guys because I feel like this opens the door to more dialect and more conversation about different things for women and what we deal with when it comes to us. Okay, you'll see what I mean after I read the email. So let me get to it. Okay, here's what the email reads. I have to read it from my phone because, yeah, I didn't memorize it. Okay. All right. So, hey, Waldia, let me start off by stating that you are very beautiful and I love your bubbly personality. So after I read that, I was like, oh, okay, that's cool. All right. All right. I think your YouTube channel will continue to grow and I can't wait to see more from you. So still, I'm like, oh, thank you. That's so nice, right? Okay. Okay. Whew. With that being said, I just want you to learn to love and appreciate your true hair texture. I've noticed that you always install methods such as bantu knots and twists in order to change your hair texture. Okay, all right. Now, as soon as I read that part, in order to change your hair texture, I was ready to respond. I had already hit reply. I was like, no. Let me finish reading the whole email before I jump the gun. Okay, let me continue. 4C hair is very beautiful and you should learn to embrace it more. Don't let people convince you that your hair has to be curly in order for it to be beautiful. I hope you don't take this the wrong way. I love you, moi. Like, yeah, moi. Yeah. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go. Thank you for the compliments. You know, I appreciate the love and I do appreciate the feedback. A lot of times we don't agree with what other people have to say about what we put out, what YouTubers put out, and that's okay. I do appreciate other people's opinions, and I actually welcome opinions. I want you to comment and email me about certain things and what you feel about certain things, okay? However, a lot of times people must understand that their opinion is just that. They're not facts. She said, I just want you to learn to love and appreciate your hair texture more. Like, have you seen my videos? Have you watched all of my videos? Have you seen I have videos where I'm in the shower and my hair has shrunken to the shortest of the shorts, okay? And not once in my video have I ever said that I don't love and appreciate my 4C hair texture. As a matter of fact, I can confidently come on video and show you what my hair looks like with no product in it. What it looks like fresh out of the shower. We all know with our hair texture, when it gets wet, it shrinks and it shrivels up to the smallest thing. People say, oh, you look bald headed. Yeah, but let me stretch this bad boy out so you can see the true length. You know what I mean? I have not once on my channel said that I wish my hair was a different texture, or I wish my hair didn't shrink the way that. I've never said that. If anything, I've said I appreciate the shrinkage because that makes me know that my hair is healthy. Okay, I'm so afraid of heat damage that every time I get in the shower and I come out and my hair shrinks and I can see like the little curls, and I get so excited because I'm like, yes, no heat damage, my hair is healthy. Yeah, so yeah, for her to say, I want you to learn to love your true hair texture, that's kind of like, and not once. And first off, even if I was to come on my hair and straighten my hair, because I do plan to do that eventually in the future. I just haven't done it yet because I'm just not comfortable with that much heat in my hair yet. Doesn't mean I won't eventually want to try to straighten my own hair. Even if I decide to come on here and straighten my hair on a regular basis, it does not mean that I don't love and appreciate my true hair texture. Give me a break. Okay, and she also said, yeah, I guess she was saying that because she said, yeah, I've noticed that you are always installing methods such as Bantu knots and twists in order to change your hair texture. Boo-boo. Okay, number one, these are twists, okay? My hair is still 4C. Me twisting my hair and me Bantu knotting my hair is not to change my hair texture. If I wanted to change my hair texture, I would get a perm. I would get a relaxer, or I would get a texturizer if I wanted to change my hair texture. And guess what? If I wanted to change my hair texture and use a relaxer and a perm and a texturizer to change it, that's my preference. That's what I want to do with my hair. Using Bantu knots and twists, etc., braid outs, etc., that's not to change your hair texture. That can't change your hair texture, as a matter of fact. It doesn't. Okay? What it does, it curls my hair so that I don't have to apply heat. And y'all don't get it twisted. I'm confident in myself and I'm confident in my hair and my face, the way I look with or without makeup, my body. Not because I'm perfect. No, I'm far from perfect. Because it's me. I've learned to love myself for who I truly am, whether I decide to wear a wig or a weave or a braid out, a twist out, or whatever it is. I'm confident in myself because of me. You know, and then when she goes, don't let people convince you that your hair has to be curly in order for it to be beautiful. Where'd you get that from? Who told you that I was convinced of this? No one told me that. This is what I like. No one said or showed pictures to me when I was younger and said, hey, your hair has to be like this in order for it to be beautiful. No one did that. As a matter of fact, when I had a relaxer and I had, you know, perm in my hair, I still did braid outs because I like the way it looks. I like the curls that it creates. I like Bantu knots because I like the curls. No one convinced me that this is what is beautiful. No, I just like it. Point blank, period. And that's what I like for now. We don't know. Maybe in a couple of months, I'm going to want to rock a weave for 5 months because that's what I like at the moment. I like different things. And here's my thing. And that's a serious question to the viewer that sent me the email. Why are we so critical? Okay, first off, other people, Caucasian people, whatever background people are always going to be critical on what black women do, what we choose to do with ourselves, with our hair, our face, whatever. They're always critical. That's a given. That's going to always happen. Okay, we already know this. But my thing is, why are we so critical on other black women? You see what I'm saying? Why are we so critical to each other? For example, if a Caucasian woman blow dries her hair's already straight. Let's just say a Caucasian woman, her hair's already straight. And because she wants it straighter, she goes in and blow dries it so to get rid of the frizz, to make it more sleeker, right? No one says anything about that. No one says, hey, you know, why do you always straighten your hair with a blow dryer? Does it mean you don't love your straight hair? No, she blow dries her hair because she likes the way it looks better when it's when she blow dries it. So why are black women so critical of other black women based off of what they decide to do with their own hair? We're always so like defensive when it comes to other, you know what I'm saying? People tell us what we should do with our hair, what looks good and what doesn't. But then we do it to each other, and it just baffles me because I'm like, who cares? If she likes it, so what? So yeah, no, I'm confident in myself, not because I can make my hair curly and I can install all these different methods to change my hair texture. Absolutely not. I'm confident in myself because I've learned how to be confident in me. I learned to love me with or without makeup, with or without hair, relaxer or not. I've learned to love me in whatever change that I'm going through with me. And no, I'm not letting society and other people dictate what's beautiful. If that's the case, I will come on here every single video with a long weave all the way down my back. Because believe it or not, I know a lot more people are embracing our hair textures, etc. But there are still a vast majority out there that will still look at me and be like, ew, what you gonna do with that nappy hair? I've heard it. I've received some comments. I have. Okay? So no, people like that can't sway the way I feel about myself because you just can't. I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I passed that stage in my life where I cared about what everybody has to say about me and mine and how I choose to live my life and how I choose to wear my hair and how I choose to do my face. All right, boo-boo, so with the twist and the Bantu knots and whatever, if you come up close and you zoom in, just come close. Let me zoom in. Okay, let me zoom in. The twist did not change my texture. Look at this. My texture is still 4C. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. All this beauty right here is still 4C. Don't get it twisted. Okay? 4C. All you see here is curls. What you think is texture? No, no, no. It's curls. I installed these curls as a styling method. So yeah, child, don't come over here with that. You got the wrong one. The wrong one. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. Alright, yeah, I don't have to do this because I ain't got to prove nothing. Honestly, I already have like so many videos with showing my hair with the styling method. As popping as this twist out is, okay, I'm gonna comb this out. Alright, and the reason why I'm combing this out, because I need homegirl to understand that the styling method I use does not dictate how I feel about my natural hair. Okay, so we're gonna comb this bad boy out. The texture is still the same. I'm all riled up. Let me do this gently. Gently, y'all, because I don't understand. So I've combed out the curls, and as you can see, the texture is still the same. Still the same, okay? And I'm just gonna do some pinning. Look at this, y'all. Why wouldn't I like my hair texture? Like, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Now where are my pins? Where are my pins? There we go. Ooh. I'm not even trying to gas, but really? Okay. I'm combing out some more so you know it's real. The bigger the hair, the better. I can't wait till my hair gets thicker and thicker and bigger. Because that's what I like. Now you can leave this like this if you want. Okay? Or, like I always like to do, you can pin it right here. Ah, I love pinned up hair. Whether I had a relaxer or sometimes even a braid out, twist out, I love pinning my hair up because I feel like that suits my face the best. I like it. Put out the little, you know, little side things going on right here. Make it, you know, pop a little more. Okay, I like this. And not everybody would on them, but on me, look at this texture. All I did was comb the curls that I put in out. And I have rocked my hair like this on my channel before. You guys seen these side up, like, okay. But anyway, yeah, if homegirl just wanted me to do more videos without installing like twists and bantu knots, that's all she had to say. Like, hey, can you do more videos styling your hair without the curling method? I'm like, cool. If that's what you want to see, fine, I could do that. That's easy. I just did it. You know what I'm saying? But to say I don't love my my texture because I like installing these different methods is just like baffling to me. Like, how can you make such a bold statement based off my styling methods? That was just a little, okay. But this is so chic. I like, how could you not like 4C hair? Like, look. I don't get it. I don't get it. So yeah, guys, so let's just take this opportunity to talk to one another. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever felt that way. If you've ever felt like we put too much emphasis on styling our hair, the styling methods, and not actually loving, you know, the hair the way it is. If you feel like that, let me know. There are no right or wrong answers. Okay, let me not say there are no wrong answers, because I do feel like her bold statement in saying that I don't love and appreciate my 4C textures because I'm always installing twist outs and bantu knots, that was just plain wrong. Okay, that was wrong. So I'm not gonna say there's no right or wrong answer. Just put whatever you feel, just put how you truly feel in the comment section, and let's address it. Let's talk about it. A lot of times we do feel like the way we do because we don't talk about it enough. Maybe that's why, I don't know. But yeah, I just thought that I would take this opportunity to bring this out to you guys and discuss it, because I feel like it's something that needs to be talked about so that generations coming after us will know that, yeah, you could do whatever you want with your hair as long as you love it and as long as you're confident. That's all that really matters, honestly. And keep it funky with me, y'all. Let me know if you want me to do more styles like this. I can do that too. That's cool. Let me know. I can show you guys and give you guys some suggestions, because believe it or not, I do rock these styles often. Especially when I don't feel like retwisting my hair and it poofs out because of the weather. No, my hair isn't always, you know, super defined and super curly. No. But this right here, you add a little flower. You can go to a wedding or whatever. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, remember to leave a comment and also follow me on all of my social media, especially to the viewer that sent me that email. Please make sure you follow me on Snapchat, especially because you guys see, you know, what my hair looks like on day 4, 5, 6. You know what I mean? Sometimes I stretch it out even more. I don't feel like washing my hair on day 7. Okay, my hair's not super defined. Follow me, you know, on Insta stories, on Instagram, you know, so you can see what it's looking like. When I come to you guys and I'm doing my hair, that's day 1 and day 2 hair. I'm giving you a tutorial on how to do it so you can see what it looks like on day 1 and day 2. But by day 5 and 6, it's not as defined, y'all. So yeah, before you send me comments and emails and stuff like that, watch my previous, follow me so you can see what I'm about before you make these bold assumptions. You know what I mean? That's what they are, assumptions. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, and I do appreciate you guys. I do appreciate the love that you show. All right, and I will be having more videos out to you guys. Let me know what you want to see so that, you know, this doesn't happen again. All right, until next time, bye.